Hi guys, I'm back again. Today I'm going to show you how to do or how to work in filter transformation in Informatica. Let's start with importing the source. If you have any doubt in importing the source, you can visit my video number 3. It will show you how to import the source files. Now I am importing my department file. It is comma separated file. I am just taking the column names from the file itself. It is comma separated and no quotes, so I am giving it as no quotes. I am giving finish. My source file is imported. I am going to import my target file also. It means I am going to create my target file. I am giving f of target underscore filter. The name whatever I like to give, I can give, no problem. I am just giving 2 columns, department ID, number, department name, string. Can be something. There is no limit in giving the values. Now I am going to mapping. I am just clicking create. I am giving name as m underscore filter. You can give any name, that is not an issue. Just drag and drop the source instance, and then we need to use filter transformation. Here it is, the filter symbol is there. Either you can just click and use it, or you can go to transformations and then create. Just click filter. You can just type also, no problem. I am giving filter department ID equals, okay, I will tell you that I am giving filter department ID equal, okay. I am just closing it. Now I am taking one more filter to explain one more thing. I am having 2 filters now. For this filter I am giving name as file underscore less than department ID. You can give any name you want. Then now I am mapping the columns to both the filters. This is department ID equal filter. You can see 2 ports are there, department ID and department name. In this port I am going to get, if it is true, the condition. You can see in properties, you can see filter condition. Just click that one. You can see true. True means it will pass all the records. It will never fail any records, or it will never drop any records. Now I am going to add a condition. I am going to see department ID equal to 100. I want only the record department ID equal to 100 should come to my next transformation. The name, it is given it as filter, but we can say it is bypass transformation. It means it will pass only the records which satisfy this condition. In my case, department ID should be 100. I will get record which has department ID 100 in my next transformation. I am just giving OK, just OK, that's it. Now I am going to this less than filter and just see same columns, department ID and department name, and then I am going to properties. In this one I am going to give the same condition, department ID lesser than or equal to 105. I am giving. It means I will get any number of department IDs which is less than or equal to 105. If I have 110 or 111 in my source file, I will not get that record in target. It is also same thing. Don't confuse with the name. The name filter means it is bypass transformation. In mean words, you can say it is bypass transformation. Whatever condition we are giving, those records which satisfy this condition only will pass through next transformation. I am giving OK. Now I am going to drag and drop my targets. My target is f of target filter. I am doing 2 times. since I have two filter transformations and I want to show you a difference, I am doing it twice. This is, I am just renaming equals. It means I'm just going to map equal condition filtered records to this one. Okay, this one I am giving it as less than. You can give any condition in filter, but my sincere advice is like try to avoid giving multiple conditions in filter. Suppose if you want to perform a filter logic in more than 2 columns, then go for one expression transformation in before the filter and have any variable ports or output ports to calculate the condition, and just send either a flag, either 1 or 0 or true or false, or whatever you like to do like that. If you perform multiple conditions in filter, it will take more time for Informatica to perform all the conditions and satisfy everything. If you want to perform more conditions, just do that in expression and then just pass the value into the filter to get it done. Now I am going to save it. I am going to Informatica workflow manager. I am just creating workflow. I am giving name as wf_filter. I am just taking session, linking the mapping with the session. Now I am going to give link between these two, then I am done. Now I need to give where I can find the source file for running this. I have it in my desktop, so it is there. You can see source department.txt is my source file name. You can see department.txt. Now I am moving to giving the target file name. Target also I am giving the same folder just to avoid confusion. I am giving filter target equals dot text file for this equal filter value, and for less than filter value I am going to give a name similar to that. I am using the same folder. Filter target lesser than .txt. Just click OK, save, then we can run. Just right click and give start workflow. The workflow will be started. You can see this, the request is acknowledged, the workflow is started. You can see it is running. You can see the session, it is running. I will show you that. It won't take more time. My repository is little bit slow, so it is taking more time to run this simple thing. It will never take more time. Only thing is like if you have more number of conditions in the filter, then it will take some more time. Suppose if you have 3 conditions itself in filter, please proceed with expression transformation and just pass either a flag 1 or 2 or true or false, whatever you like to do, just do with the flag. Also don't perform any substring or instring or any kind of text operations in filter. Also it is preferable to have conditions in either in integer or number because performance wise, if you like to see, number will perform better than string. Yeah, you can see the workflows get succeeded, and then you can see the status also. I have 4 rows in my department file. It means a source file. In equals filter it got only 1 row, and in less than filter it got only 3 row. Now I am going to show you. First go with equals filter. I am opening my target file. This is my source file. My condition is I gave department ID equal to 100. I have only one record which department ID equal to 100. So this target equal condition file got only one record. In I am going to less than filter file. I gave less than 105, less than or equal to 105. Here the condition less than or equal to 105 is satisfied by this 100, 101 and 102. So these three records are loaded into the target. This 110 max is ignored. You can see that. That is the difference. Suppose if you want to perform any number of transformations or any number of not transformations, any number of conditions we can perform in filter, but please try to avoid multiple conditions or any loops in filter. If you have any loops or any multiple conditions in filter, it will kill the performance of your mapping as well as your workflow. It will create a big headache for you. Yeah, thank you. If you have any comments or if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to Informatica Beginner. Thank you.